Call you my shawty, shawty. You gon' make me lay.
What's up, y'all? If y'all new to my channel, welcome to the A gang. Welcome to the Hunni Bun gang, where everything is all sweet over here. We're going to get into this eyebrow tutorial with the pomade pencil. Today, I am using Twist and Shape. As you can see, it has the spoolie at the end, and it has the pomade part at the end right there. And we're going to get into it. And I'm going to start out brushing my eyebrows with the spoolie first. As y'all can see, my eyebrows are a little rough and tough. Needs to be arched, waxed, nailed, some. So I'm gonna try to finesse it the best way I can with this pomade pencil, okay? Also, I got this pencil from my local Marshalls. So yeah. So right here, I'm starting at the end. Normally, I would start at the front, but I find it best starting at the end for me so I can get that tail how I want it. And then I'll go at the top and start kind of like from the middle and finish creating the tail at the end. Now, y'all, normally if I'm using my regular pencil or, well, yeah, I'm going to just say my regular pencil, I'll be able to create that tail at the end perfect, the best way I want it. But with this, I'm going to just finesse it the best way I know how because this is my first time using this pomade pencil, okay? So, yeah. You see that? I tried to create it the best way I can, but I'm a finesse it. It's going to be cute at the end. Y'all going to see. Go start from the end. Then work your way towards the front. And it's all going to connect together. I promise you. It's all going to connect together. And then go at the top again. Create that hump that you want. As y'all can see, I barely got some eyebrows. I barely. So sometimes I be having to create the whole thing, okay? So yeah, make sure you do your light strokes at the front. You're gonna brush those out anyway. But yeah, go ahead and create that shape that you want before you get into your concealer. Alright, so right here I'm about to go in with my L.A Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Suede. And I'm also going to be using the shade Fawn. I use Fawn, which is a tad bit lighter. When I say half of 1% lighter than Suede, I'm going to be using that at the bottom. You always want to go in with the lighter shade concealer at the bottom of the brow. And then after that, you go in with the shade that's closer to your skin complexion at the top. Just so that it can blend almost perfectly. And y'all, normally I'm gonna do another tutorial with the pencil because I don't know. I really just can't say how I'm feeling about that pomade pencil right now because I feel like I'm not getting that perfect arch how I want to. But it also may have something to do with my eyebrows not being waxed at the moment. But we're not going to try to make excuses. Like I said, we're going to make it do what it do. Alright, so right here, I'm just going to put the rest of the concealer that's left on the brush onto my eyelids. So that when I get done with the top of my brow, I can just go ahead and blend all of that product into my eye. And you'll see when I get to that part. And y'all, normally when I'm doing the top of my brow, it just usually makes me feel some type of way. Because it'll be like you start from the top and then you just slide on to the back. Like, But I wasn't getting it with this. Like, I just wouldn't get it. For the girls who get it, y'all get it. For the girls who don't, listen, you will get there when you get there. But as of now, I'm just, I don't know. I'm not getting that you know what I'm saying? Y'all know what I'm talking about. But they look, you just look at it. It's looking okay. It's coming together. Let's just stay prayed up. All right, y'all. So right here, I'm gonna take the spoolie and blend that out. You always want to try and brush it out to get that ombre effect. Don't be walking around here with no deep square tip at the tip of your front of your doggone eyebrow. That's not cute. Okay, we're not gonna do that in 2024. So right here, I'm going in with my Real Techniques shadow brush. And I am going to blend that concealer in on my eye. Y'all, normally I will go in with a heavy concealer whenever I'm doing a full face of makeup. But right now, we are just doing the eyebrows and just cleaning it up at the bottom and the top. That's what we are doing. So you want to tap and pat that product in. Try not to swipe. I know I did a little swiping, but pretty much when you're an MUA, if you swipe, it's okay if you know what you're doing and it still looks good. But the overall thing that you're supposed to do is to blend it in. Tap, tap, pat, pat. Try not to swipe. Just blend. And from this angle, y'all, it's really giving Angry Bird. Like, I can really see some eyes in the middle of my doggone brows. But, yeah. Now I'm going in with my sponge. And I'm just going to continue to blend that product into my skin, okay? So we not around here looking crazy. And you go in as many times as you need to blend all that in. You see how it's coming together? Okay, wait a minute. We doing a little 1-2 there. Okay. Had to check myself because I don't want to wreck myself. Okay, y'all. So, yeah, back with the shadow brush. Blend, blend, blend. You see I'm doing a lot of swiping there, but it's okay for me. If you're a beginner, don't do it. Now I'm going to go in with my Revolution banana powder, and I'm really just going to set my eye. I'm going to put that on top of that concealer to set my eye so that I won't have any creases, y'all. And try not to go in with much. Just enough to set the eye. Just enough. Y'all, excuse my background. Somebody in the front room watching TV. But it's okay. But y'all, I'm going to go ahead and say if I had to rate that pomade pencil on a scale from 0 to 10, I would probably give it, a 7 or 8. But it looked good. It looked kind of good, though. See that tail? I want to get that tail. I'm a sucker for eyebrow tails. And I just feel like I could not get it with it. Maybe because the pomade part wasn't just sharp as my pencil would be, or wasn't sharp as an angled brush would be if I was to use my regular pomade out of the jar. But it's okay because we made it do what it do. Let me check it again. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Hold up. Oh. All I to see what I should have done was added some gel to my brow to slick the hair in. Normally I would add some lash glue. on top of it to slick it down. But I did not do that. But y'all, if y'all are enjoying this video, please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel because it is free. It is free, y'all. I love y'all. Mwah.
I'ma call you my shawty.